Salesforce, yeah, I don't think they have any idea how to price AI, but neither does anybody else. Right now, Agentforce, their flagship AI product, it's being sold in not one, not two, well, yes, 3 different ways. It's $2 a conversation, 10 cents per action, and $125 plus per user per month. Yeah, 1 product, 3 pricing models. I think they are lacking confidence. I think that's probably more confusion. This is what happens, though, when you build an empire on selling seats, and then all of a sudden you launch a product designed to, you guessed it, eliminate them. Think about that math for a minute, right? If your AI actually works, it replaces human effort. If it replaces human effort, customers need fewer seats. If you charge per seat, your best product shrinks your own revenue. That's, my friends, is the SaaS death spiral that is sometimes quietly being talked about behind closed doors. So what do you do when you can't figure out which pricing model saves your P&L? You throw them all at the wall and you hope one sticks. It's like the seats make CFOs' bills safe. Usage aligns to our compute, and well, consumption, that just feels low risk. Running all 3 at once, it feels like a public experiment. Unfortunately, I don't know if Salesforce is alone. There's this piece out, the PricingSaaS 500. It tracks over 1,800 pricing changes last year across the top 500 B2B and AI companies. Okay, break those numbers down. That's 3.6 changes per company in 12 months. Nobody knows where this lands. For years, right? We've all charged in SaaS for access. You log in, you get a seat, you pay your subscription. Uh-oh, here comes AI. It delivers output. And output, it doesn't map very well to seats. So the big incumbents, they're trying to defend the revenue, and usage vendors are trying to price to cover their compute. And well, the outcome players, they're trying to tie price to value. So what you're watching is this live pricing war over who gets paid when software becomes labor. You heard it. When software stops being this tool and starts being a worker, you don't price it like a login. That's what we're doing at Autonom. We stop pretending this is software. We just price it like labor. You hire a junior level cloud employee. It does real work. It has capacity. It produces output. If you need more, you promote it. Or, heaven forbid, you hire another one. No seat gymnastics and no credit math or guessing games. Digital labor, priced like labor. That's where this goes. And honestly, I don't know. If you want to see what digital labor pricing actually looks like, go check out autonom.ai.